Good morning everyone. I'm Pranav, he's Srikanth and he's Rohil. We are from class 9 Excel Public School, Mysore. The agriculture sector value chain includes all steps from land preparation to harvesting and post-harvest processing. In all these processes, during the production cycle, the use of equipment enhances the efficiency of farming.
Farm mechanization not just reduces labor and post-harvest loss, but also cuts down the production cost.
Problem statement: innovate to increase productivity, manage scale, speed, and sustainability in agriculture to benefit the farmers. The main motive of developing agriculture automation technology is because we realized when farming becomes more efficient, farmers can involve in other activities like animal husbandry and bring more income to their family. Therefore, we are helping the farmers to improve their living condition.
Robotics and artificial intelligence offer solutions to precision agriculture to processes like sowing, weeding, and irrigating. Machines in the market can only perform up to 2 tasks. For example, a tractor can only perform sowing and plowing. So we built a robot which can perform all the 5 main tasks in one machine. This is how our AgriBot looks like. A single bot performs multiple tasks with 5 modes of operation. The basic elementary functions like plowing, seeding, leveling, planting, spraying water, and weed cutting can be performed.
The Agri-Robot is controlled through a wireless control made up of Arduino Uno and a transmitter that sends commands to the Arduino Mega board on the robot, and the robot executes the commands. The bot has a weed cutter in the front which cuts the weeds with a blade. Then there is a plow that can dig through the soil for the seeds to be sown. Then the seeds are dropped through the pipe from the container. Then the plate fills the pit with the soil, and then the soil gets irrigated through the water pump mechanism.
If technology and farming come together, then farmers can lead a better life and farming will become more efficient. When farming becomes more efficient, farmers can get involved in other activities like animal husbandry and bring more income to their family. The main motive of developing agricultural automation technology is to decrease the manual labor required for farming and thus increase the efficiency. Hardware was done by Srikanth, Rohil and me. Most of the literature survey and the script was done by Srikanth and Rohil. Hardware and software design was done by me.
If we get selected for top 100, we will make our robot operable using Wi-Fi, and we will improve our irrigation system by adding sprinklers.
We would like to end our video with a quote. Farmers don't just work until the sun goes down, they work until the job gets done.
Thank you.